Okay, adjectives, if they precede the nouns, they do take endings indicating gender, number, and case. And adjective endings are the same as article endings. So just please review Module 2 to refamiliarize yourselves with those endings. Notice the difference between adjective endings after direct and indirect articles. Der words or direct articles are the same as in der for the and this, dieser, and they always take strong endings. So any adjective after the noun has a so-called weak ending, which is the one that doesn't change. The strong endings are the ones that one has to learn. An example, dieser neue Tisch und diese neue Küche, dieses gute Brot, notice the endings, dieser, er, for der Tisch, masculine, die Küche, so you have the e ending on the demonstrative article diese, that new kitchen, and dieses gute Brot, Brot is das Brot, bread, so you have the es ending on dieses to say, right, it's neuter and it's nominative. So one more example to illustrate, all in the nominative case, which, as you know by now, is the subject case. Der intelligente Student, die intelligente Studentin und das intelligente Kind. Lots of smart people and 3 different grammatical genders with a definite article, der, die, das, and, as we said before, the same ending on the adjective, because we already know, oh yeah, masculine nominative, feminine, and neuter. Now let's look at the indefinite article, ein, eine, feminine, and ein for neuter. Now we do need to indicate what's what. So remember nominative, masculine ending, der Student. So same ending, er, ein intelligenter Student, die Studentin, eine intelligente Studentin, and neuter, even the kid is already very intelligent, das Kind, ein intelligentes Kind. Nominative endings. Okay, yet another chart with endings. This is the pattern for declension of weak endings, which are the easier ones. And you notice it's mostly endings, except for 5 endings. So there is not really that much to memorize, but certainly one needs to know that. So just review all the charts, do the exercises, and you'll be on top of it in no time. Weak ending e, or e in English, e auf Deutsch, is used in the nominative for all genders. I already said that several times. And also in the accusative neuter and feminine. So everywhere else the ending is en, which refers back to what we just looked at, the previous chart. Okay, with indirect articles and ein words and negations, which are kein words, we'll do a bit more of that. However, the adjective must take the strong ending since the indirect article gives insufficient information regarding gender and case, and we already spoke about that. We touched on this earlier with the kein negation, which has the same endings. Okay, here it's a little bit maybe more easily illustrated. So you have the der words on the left, and the ein or kein words on the right, indefinite article and negation, like I said, have the same ending. So let's look at the left, the der words, the strong ending, dieser. Demonstrative or direct articles. Dieser intelligente Student, diese intelligente Studentin for feminine, dieses gute Brot for neuter. And look at the right side for ein and kein words. The same thing is said, ein intelligenter Student. Yes, we have to say it's masculine and nominative. So ER, and keine, no intelligent female student, which I can't quite believe, but only an E ending for feminine. And gutes Brot, gutes Brot es gibt sehr viel gutes Brot in Deutschland, lots of good bread to be had in Germany. The S ending for neuter. Here we have the accusative endings that you are familiar with already. En, diesen, alten, always the same endings. Doesn't matter if there were 5 adjectives in a row, they keep the same ending, which is nice to know. Diesen, ich sehe diesen alten Professor. I see that old professor once a week or whatever. The same accusative masculine ending. Same for feminine, consistently the same, and also for neuter. Then we have the dative endings, which you just were made familiar with. And diesem alten Professor is dative, dieser guten, super feminine, diesem guten Brot. Then again on the other side, the indefinite article examples and the negation. You see the M again for the masculine, but in the dative, there's an ER for feminine, and the same ending in the neuter as in the masculine.